Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a hard reset via settings on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply going into the settings themselves. Now you want to scroll all the way down, head into System, go into Reset Options at the bottom, and here you have Erase All Data. But before you do that, there are a couple of things you probably want to do, and it depends on why are you resetting all the data. If you are preparing your phone to selling, I would strongly advise you to first remove every single account that you have on your phone, especially Google account, because then the phone will actually detect that, hey, someone actually owed me before, and it would require you to log in into that specific Google account. So just in case of doing that, I would advise you to just remove or log out of every single account that you currently have on your phone. So as you can see, we can go to passwords, passkeys and accounts. As you can see, we only have one account, so I would simply advise you to just remove the account, just like that. Now this won't really remove the account itself, it will just remove the account from your device. However, if you want to perform a hard reset because you want to maybe clean up your phone, then no further thing is required. But actually, I would also simply advise you to make sure that you don't have any kind of lock screen enabled, which is... oh, actually I can't find it. What? No, this is just the privacy, and this is how it will look. But basically you want to make sure that you have no way or no weird passwords, though removing Google accounts should be okay on its own. So after you have done that, all you want to do is simply head back to that system page, reset options, erase all data. As you can see, we have the ability to just see that, well, this will erase everything, like all data, so Google accounts, system and app data, settings, download apps, music, photos, like everything. You know what a hard reset is. So we simply hit erase data, we hit erase data all the time, and now the machine is in the run and there is no way of stopping it. In any moment now we should get a nice screen from the setup page. And as you can see, it didn't really take a long time. I did pause the recording, but it took about half a minute, which is pretty good. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.